and we are moving on to task 4. So, task 4, our boss has changed their mind once again about the column names and data types in the customers table. They would like a new customer table created and the old one deleted. They would also like us to copy data from the examples database. They want us to copy from the customers table into our test AP customers table. So they've changed their mind. So that is going to mean that we need to delete our current customer table. And then we're going to have to create a new one. And then we're going to have to give a command to copy all the records into the new one. So, first command, because we have an existing customer table, we need to get rid of it. So we need to tell it to use test AP, and then we're going to use the drop table customers command. So that's going to get rid of the existing customers table. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and run that. Okay, so now if I refresh over here, customers is no more. I'm going to move my closing comment down. And now I'm going to create the new table using the columns and the data types that the boss wants. So I'm going to once again use test AP. And I'm going to pause while I key in all of the columns and the data types. Okay, so I am going to create table customers. And so I've got quite a few columns here. So ID, last name, first name, address, city, state, zip, phone. I'm going to make ID the primary key. You'll notice that all of them can have null values, which null means nothing. You don't have to enter anything into it. Okay, the only one that has to be entered is ID, and that is because ID is the primary key. Okay, most of them have variable character, okay, and the ID is an integer. So I'm going to go ahead and run this and create this table. So at this point, the table has nothing in it. And I'm going to move my closing comment down. So what I'm going to do next is copy some data from examples from their customer table into my customer table. So I'm using test AP, and I'm going to use an insert into command. So where am I inserting into? I'm inserting into customers. Okay, and I'm going to select records. I'm going to select all the records from examples.dbo.customers. So that's where the records are coming from, and this is where they're going to. So we'll go ahead and execute. And I got 24 rows. And I'm going to go ahead and move my closing comment down. And at this point, let's see, I am going to save this. And I want to save as. And that is a horrible name. So I believe we're calling this, look, Chapter 11, Textbook Exercises. And that is not where I want to save. So you will have to make sure that you know where you're saving to so you can find it and turn it in. All right, so at this point, we're moving forward. We're done with tasks 1 through 4.